Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a bright green convertible sports car that is scaled for minifigures for today's LEGO Brick tutorial. Let's start the base of our convertible with a 2x10 plate. Let's place a 1x2 plate on the left hand side, a 2x2 plate with 2 bearings, followed by a 1x2 plate, a 2x4 plate, 1x2 plate, a 2x2 plate with 2 bearings, and a 1x2 plate. And let's lock all this together with a 2x10 plate. Let's set down a pair of 1x2 modified plates with slide on top of the 2x4 plate, and a 1x2 plate right here where we have 6 studs on the left hand side. Let's take a 1x2 steering console, place it right here next to the 1x2 plate, and a 1x2 brick behind the steering wheel. Now let's take 4 1x2 inverted 45-degree slopes. We're going to place these right on top of the plates with slide, so these should be right in the center of the plate. And we're going to finish it off with 4 1x2 modified brick with mudguard. These are going to go around the tires to finish off the side of the body. For the front and rear bumpers, take a 1x2 by 1x4 downwards angular plate. Let's place a 1x2 plate right in the center, followed by a 1x2 flat tile. And we're going to finish it off with 2 1x1 by 2/3 slopes. Let's make 2 of these. Now let's take our bumper assemblies. We're going to place one on the front portion and another one on the rear portion of our convertible. Now let's place a pair of 1x2 bricks with 2 studs on the side right here in the front. Now let's lock everything together with a pair of 1x8 plates. We'll place these down so we can hear the crunching noise, followed by a 1x2 plate right here, and another 1x2 plate right next to the previous. Now on the back side, we're going to place another set of 1x2 plates. Now be sure that these are perpendicular to lock in our wheel wells. Take a 1x4 plate, let's set down a pair of 1x1 transparent orange plates on the ends, followed by a 1x2 brick with bow, and place a set of 1x1 by 2/3 transparent red slopes for rear lights. Now let's set down our rear portion of our vehicle right here. Now right here we're going to place a 1x2 jumper plate on this 1x2 plate, and a pair of 1x1 plates right next to the jumper plate. Now on this stud, let's set down a 1x1 by 2/3 slope and a set of 1x2 plates with bow, and a 1x2 modified plate with handle in this area for a roll bar. I believe that's what they're called. Now let's turn our attention to the front portion of the vehicle. So we're going to take a 2x4 modified angular plate, place it right in the center, followed by a 1x2 radiator grille and a pair of 1x1 flat tiles around the grille. Now we're going to place a 1x2 radiator grille right here and a pair of 1x1 round flat tiles that are transparent for headlights. And for a windshield, a 3x4 by 1 1/3 windscreen. Obviously our vehicle needs some tires, so we're going to flip this over and we're going to take a rim and a tire that fits over the rim, set that on like so. That depends on which way you want these to face. I like to have the spokes facing outwards. gives it a sporty look. So we're going to make 4 of these, and we're going to place them on the bearing plates. Now let's see if this is scaled for minifigures. It should. And there we have Jay the Surfer riding his bright lime green sports car, ready to take a trip to the beach.